how to enable parallax effect in Squarespace website. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to enable parallax effects in image in Squarespace website. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you can go ahead to the squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can go to account dashboard here. And then in this dashboard, you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. After that, we will be in this dashboard. It's loading this dashboard. Yeah. So we can go ahead to the website on the left screen and then go to pages. So you can, add effect in the page or yeah, in the pages. And then you can choose the page you want to add the effect. Let's say I'm gonna add the effect in about. So yeah, about, and then you can go ahead to edit here. And then you can choose the image. So this is the only image. So I'm gonna make it parallax. So you can click it and then click this one to edit. And then as you can see, this is the image and you can click design. And then you will find image effect. You can click it, and as you can see there is some effect. There is liquid, this is liquid and others. We're gonna choose parallax, this one. Can click it, and as you can see, this is the effect. If you scroll down or scroll up, it will be like this. There is an effect, parallax effects. So you can apply it on other images if you want. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.